So there are two ways how you can disable typing sound on your iPhone. So the first way is to just open your system settings, and we want to go to General. If we scroll down, we want to find keyboard section, open it, and at the top here in the middle section you can find the sound. So if you want to turn it off, you can do it here, and also turn off haptic feedbacks. I like it this way. Second way how you can do it is to be in your settings again, and we want to scroll down and find sounds and haptics. If you open it, here we should find something about keyboard. Here's the keyboard feedback. If you open this window, here is also sound and haptics option, so you can turn it off here. Also, in other case, turn it on here if you want the tapping sound on your iPhone if you are typing. So that's how you can do it. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, and see you next time.